Bentley Motors has launched the online configurator for its highly anticipated Bentley Blower Jnr, a scaled-down, electric replica of the iconic 1929 Bentley Blower. This exquisite blend of history and modern technology has captured the attention of car enthusiasts worldwide. The first edition models, limited to just 99 units, have already sold out, underscoring the strong demand for this unique collector's item. The configurator allows buyers to customize their Blower Jnr, choosing from a range of luxurious finishes and options to create a personalized masterpiece. The Blower Jnr, developed in collaboration with the Little Car Company, is a fully electric vehicle designed for both collectors and drivers seeking a nostalgic yet innovative experience. The car features an attention to detail that mirrors the original 4.5-liter Bentley Blower, including handcrafted leather seats, period-correct dials, and even a scaled-down supercharger. Despite its classic appearance, the Blower Jnr is a modern EV at heart, featuring an electric powertrain that offers a smooth and quiet drive, perfectly blending the past with the future. The first edition's rapid sellout reflects the growing interest in luxury electric vehicles, particularly those that offer a nod to automotive history. Bentley's foray into this niche market is part of a broader strategy to combine luxury with sustainability, appealing to collectors who appreciate both tradition and innovation. As the configurator goes live, potential buyers can explore various customization options, ensuring that each Bentley Blower Jnr is a bespoke creation. From paint colors to interior materials, the configurator offers an extensive range of choices, allowing enthusiasts to create a car that is uniquely theirs. The success of the Bentley Blower Jnr also highlights the increasing trend of luxury automakers venturing into the world of high-end, collectible electric vehicles. By offering a product that resonates with both history buffs and EV enthusiasts, Bentley is setting a new standard in the automotive world.